builds porch columns that are painted on all surfaces with a protective sealant. If the contractor has enough sealant to cover 150 square feet, can he seal all of the surfaces of one column? Explain. So we're going to find the surface area of this column. So the surface area formula is surface area equals perimeter times height plus 2 times the area of the base. So I need to figure out what card is to take care of that. So C-A-R-D. Okay, so I look at the circle and they gave me this distance is 2 feet. So that's my diameter, which means the radius is half that distance, which would be 1 foot. The radius goes with the area, the diameter goes with the circumference. So the area is pi times 1 squared. So on my calculator, I'm going to type pi times 1. And I'm going to go out 3 spots, and I'm going to make sure that I round correctly. So it's going to be 3.14, and then it's 1.5, so I would round it to 2. And that's feet squared. The circumference, I'm going to take pi times the diameter, which is 2. So I got 6.283. And that's feet. So now that I have my card figured out, I have enough information to plug into the surface area formula. So I'm going to look over here. The perimeter of the base, in this case, is the same as the circumference of the circle. So I'm going to take that 6.283 and then I'm going to multiply that times the height, which if I look down at the picture, even though it's on its side, I know that it is 14 feet tall. Plus 2 times the area of the base, which for this one is 3.142. So I have to be really, really careful, but I'm going to type this whole thing into my calculator because my calculator will do order of operations. So I'm going to make sure I clear out everything on my screen, and then I like to say the numbers while I'm typing them to ensure I don't type it in incorrectly. 6.283 times 14 plus 2 times 3.142. I got a surface area of 94.246. And since it's surface area, it would be feet squared. So if the surface area of this column is 94.246 feet squared, would 150 square feet of sealant be enough to cover it? Yes. He would have enough sealant to cover that entire column. Please feel free to stop this video and watch it multiple times to figure out which part of card we plug into what part of the surface area formula to make sure you have a good handle on how to do this.